What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me in this 5-minute chest workout, okay? Are you looking to build that chest, get a stronger chest, upper body, tone the shoulders, tone the arms? All right, this workout is for you. All right, go ahead and join me. We are gonna be on the ground, so if you wanna grab a mat and grab a pair of weights, all right? Here we go, push-up position, knees or toes, you choose. Work those push-ups, okay? Again, push-ups don't only work the chest, okay? They're working the shoulders, working the upper body. You want more of a challenge, you bring it to the toes. Wider the feet, the easier the push-ups are, okay? All right, exhale that breath as you come on up. Inhale as you come down. Nice and easy. Elbows are bending back at about an angle here, okay? Hands a little bit wider than shoulder width. Nice and easy. Coming down and up, all right? Nice. And warming up that chest, warming up that upper body here, okay? So again, you do need a pair of weights here, okay? All right, it's all about doing what you can. We're working all on the ground, okay? Exhale as you come up again. Inhale as you come down. Do what you can. We got 5 minutes. We got 1 minute each move, 2 rounds. All right, first move, bench press, okay? Alternating bench press here. You're gonna lay it on down. Grab those weights. Hands right in line with those with the chest. Hands right above the shoulders. Alternating press, 1 down and up. All right, nice and easy. Reaching that elbow down, hitting about 90 degrees. Okay. For a little bit extra challenge, try and keep those elbows off the ground here, okay? As you come down. Inhale as you come down, exhale as you press on up, okay? Pressing right there to the ceiling. Again, you can grab a bench if you need to, okay? All right, to lay down, but if you don't, just lay it on the ground, that's okay, but you gotta control those arms, make sure that elbows barely touching the ground. Keep that core engaged, keep that back nice and flat against the ground here, okay? Nice job, everybody, just one at a time. Exhale as you push on up, inhale as you come down. All right, we're going into the second move here, alternating chest fly here, okay? Palms towards each other, coming down, keep it balanced. One hand stays up, coming up, other side. All right, nice and easy. Great job, everybody. Stabilizing that weight right above the body. Soft bending that elbow as you opening on up, okay? One arm at a time. Exhale as you come in. Inhale as you come down. Exhale as you come up. Great job, everybody. Again, this is working balance here, okay? One arm at a time. It's a little bit more challenging than throwing both arms down. All right, you got to stabilize the other arm as it stays up. Control the other one as it comes down. 20 more seconds. And then we're going back into that alternating chest press, okay? That bench press. Great job again. Try and keep that arm above the ground here, okay? You're getting as close to the ground as you can. Soft bending those elbows. Remember, don't lock out those joints. Don't lock out the elbows. Keeping that lower back nice and flat against the ground. Alternating chest press. Here we go. One more time. Coming down and up, okay? If you want a little extra challenge, these can be up at 90, okay? It's gonna make you balance a little bit more. Or if you want a little bit more, a little bit of core work here, extend those legs out, keep them up above the ground here, okay? Alright, so again, those are 3 challenges, okay? If you're feeling strong, throw one of those extras in it. Do what you can though, alright? You're pushing that body, pushing that chest, pushing those arms, okay? Upper body here. Great job, everybody. How we doing? Alright, again, I'm here with you, okay? We're working out together. I'm feeling it. You're probably feeling it. Do what you can. 15 more seconds. Nice work. One more set. Alternating chest flies right after this, okay? Great work. Almost there. All right. Alternating chest flies. Open up and close again. You can bring those feet back up to 90 degrees, all right? Or feet down. If you need to stabilize a little bit more, okay, this is a little bit more challenging to control, okay? All right, keeping that lower back against the ground, nice and flat. Awesome work, everybody. Keep it going, okay? Again, you got to work for those results, the results that you want. You got to work for them. They're not going to come overnight, all right? It's all about sticking with the workout, sticking with the plan. All right, that plan is important. Okay. This helps you stay on track. Nice work, everybody. We got 15 seconds left. And then that is it. Five more seconds. Nice and controlled, okay? Do not lose it yet. Alright, stay with me. Almost there. Alright, and time. Go ahead and put that weight down. Alright, we're gonna flip it on over. Alright, we're gonna lay it on down. Taking one hand, reach it out. Coming down, reach it on up, okay? So you're gonna stretch out that chest right here. Alright, you could have your hand out, or you could have it at a 90-degree elbow. And you're opening up that chest to the other side. Switch it over. Alright, slowing down the breathing, controlling it. Alright, bring it on back. Child's pose, reach those hands forward. Alright, bring it on up. Reach those arms up. Inhale, exhale. Great job. Let me know in the comments below, how was this workout for you, okay? On a scale from 1 to 5, let me know what number. Alright, stay fit, stay flexed. Have a great one, and I'll see you next time.